What happens if she gets off the leash?
Oh my god, I would fucking run. Be like, Grandpa, go run after her. And my grandpa's like this. I'm coming. I'm coming. Fucking, she'll be dead by then.
Oh, John. Hey, what's up? That's Jonathan.
Hey.
That's what the fuck? And that's Mika. Are we forgetting anybody? Oh yeah, me. I'm gay.
We know.
Oh, I know. I'm Rebecca. What is she
You
doing?
wish you were me. You even told me one time.
Yeah, that was like a year ago.
Not even.
Yeah, a few months.
No.
Yes.
No.
When?
It was like the last time he came over.
Hell no.
Yes, it was. You're like, I wish I was you. Yeah, you do. You're like, sometimes I wish. Even ask my sister. She was right there. You fucking
It's
cocksucking
because
bitch.
I'm sexy. It's okay. No, I'm not sexy.
Fuck you. Sorry for the people that are watching this. I just like wrecked your hearing balls.
Did you just say hairy balls?
Now you're hearing balls.
Mika is fucking tangled. It's not cool. It's funny as hell.
I think we should like help before like something bad happens.
Yeah.
No, that's something bad happened.
Yeah, go help her, then you can get attacked. For example.
Oh wait, she's got it. Hey! Mika!
Hit my fucking hair. Oh, that shit hurt. Why would you go after my hair? Ow.
You okay?
Yeah. It shit hurt. It felt like this.
Stop!
That's how it felt.
Hey.
That's, see, what? See, it's not so funny. Shit hurt. I want to see something.
Stop, you fucktard!
That's a new one.
Oh hell no. Shit.
That's all for now, my little Martians. Any words for Rebecca?
Rebecca,
What?
when do you
Oh.
open